Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Analytics and creating or selecting a property so you can retrieve the actual tracking identifier. Once done, choose the correct property type, Universal Analytics versus GA4, and generate the tracking snippet or measurement ID. Make sure you're copying the full script or the GID exactly as shown. Small mistakes break tracking. Now switch to your Blogger dashboard, because the next step is to insert that code into your blog's template, where it will run on every page. In Blogger, go to Theme and choose Edit HTML so you can modify the template directly. That lets the analytics script load on every page. Once the editor opens, search for the closing /head tag. You'll paste the snippet just before it. If you have GA4, paste the G tag. JS snippet. If you have a Universal Analytics ID, paste its script. Make sure not to duplicate existing analytics code. Remove older snippets first, then save the template changes to apply tracking. After saving your template, open your site in another tab and use Google Analytics Real-Time to confirm hits. Visit a page, then check that Analytics shows activity. If nothing appears, clear your browser cache and inspect the page source to verify the snippet exists and the ID matches exactly. Also, make sure the code is before /head and you haven't added duplicate scripts. If problems persist, temporarily disable other plugins or widgets that modify headers and retry. Most issues stem from wrong placement or ID typos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.